And Twitter has now cracked down on firebrand actor Kangana Ranaut, who is often seen backing the Modi government on the platform. The microblogging site showed Kangana the rule book and knocked not one but two of her tweets citing policy violation. One of the deleted tweets is the one where she replied to Team India's vice captain Rohit Sharma and allegedly equated farm law protests and protesters to terrorists. She even took a Dhobi ka kutta jibe at cricketer. Dhobi ka kutta is a derogatory term used to signify someone who doesn't have a stated position. The tweets are no longer available after Twitter cracked down. The social media giant defended its actions as statement saying the tweets violated Twitter policy. Twitter's action comes a day after the Queen, the actress, went into overdrive over pop star Rihanna's post on farmers' protest at the Delhi's borders. Let's take a quick look. Akshita brings us more details on what are the tweets that were pulled down from Kangana's profile.
And if you look at her timeline, I just want to scroll through here and show you her kind of tweets. The latest tweet, of course, this is a pinned tweet in which she had put out a video speaking about what happened on Republic Day. But time and again, if you look at the kind of tweets she's put out, it has been personal against several people. And look at this. This is the latest tweet, which I did mention to you. The latest tweet that she put out is the one that's been removed by Twitter. It says this tweet is no longer available because it violated the Twitter rules. So that one has been restricted. But you go down her timeline, it is full of course, personal comments. She's also made some very controversial remarks. For example, she's also spoken about the fact that US came out with a statement backing India's farm reforms. If you look at even the rest of the comments that she's made, very often it's in response to how people have decided to go ahead and react to the farmer protest. So if you look further down, here's where the other tweet has been removed. It looks like about 2 hours back is when she tweeted this one. That too has been removed. But beyond that also, the reason we can safely say that this was about the farmer protest, Chaiti, is because you look at her timeline, it's only about that. She's also tagged another person's tweet to go ahead and again say that there is a conspiracy by the world, an international conspiracy to defame India. Let me go further down. She's in fact going on to state, I feel so elated. I don't remember being so happy or excited ever. The cancer in the body of this nation we were looking for has been located, identified. The process of eradication will start. Together we will see this through, not just survive but also thrive. No doubt another message about the farmer agitation and the fact that the international conspiracy is something she's been talking about time and again. So you see that she's been very, very active in the last few hours, particularly speaking about this entire issue, saying when I said I have X-ray vision inside, people, fools laughed at me. Guess who is having the last laugh? It was me. To name that power, people give credit where it's due. Again, referring to this particular issue and the fact that Rihanna and Greta Thunberg had tweeted on this. She had time and again said that it's a conspiracy.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.